All right, we have a couple more problems that I want to talk about, but I want to focus down at the bottom of these notes before we do anything else. So below are two examples of system equations with graphs, and I want you to kind of notice these. So when the graphs of the lines of the system, or excuse me, when the graph of the line in the system of equations are parallel, okay, we have a no solution. Okay, because if you look and see, these lines, they're never going to cross. Hi, Penelope. They're never going to cross. So that gives it a no solution. But on the flip side, these graphs are the same. Okay, they're the exact same line, and it's going to be all real solutions. And you'll notice that because they are the same line. Okay, so let's go back up to the top and look at 5 and 6 to see what kind of solutions we're going to get. So if we look at number 5 and we graph this first equation, we see that we're going to start at positive 1. And our slope is negative 3 over 2, so I'm going to go down 3 over 2. Okay, so here's this line. Hello, Penelope. She says hi. Have fun graphing. So there's our first line. Now let's go ahead and look at our second. So we start at negative 2. And if you notice, this one has the exact same slope. So we're going to go down 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2. So when we graph this, what do you guys notice? Okay, are these lines ever going to cross? No, because they're parallel. Okay, so when we have this, we have no solution. Okay, but what about the second one? So if we look at number 6, I'm going to go ahead and solve this one by solving for x and y intercepts, because this one's a little easier to do that way. So if we look at our first one, we have x equals negative 3 and y equals 3, because keep in mind we have a negative y equals negative 3, so those cancel out. So we have x at negative 3 and y at 3. Okay, so here's this line. My second one is that same process. So I'm going to do 2x equals negative 6. And I'm going to see that x equals negative 3. So my point for negative 3 is right there. Okay, I'm going to do that same thing. I got negative 2y equals negative 6. So that's y equals 3. Oh my goodness. What do you notice? These lines are the same. So much excitement. They're the same, so we're going to say all real solutions. Hope this helped because it's super important.